How's everybody doing? Jeremy here from MarineMax Nisswa, and we are here on the water to give you a showcase look through at this all new 2024 330 Escalante. That's right, 33 feet of complete family fun for everybody. We have this 10-foot wide beam boat powered with twin 250 Mercuries with the joystick. That's the 250 Verado Mercuries. Come on aboard, and we're going to take a look at this wonderful living room of a boat. As we get on here, you're going to notice a 10-foot beam, very spacious, very roomy. Even if we fill up this couch here that wraps fully around on the bow, we have plenty of room. You got your PTX floor locker here, our bow filler couch that does pull out if you need to access that. Moving back to our helm, we got a nice little panel here that opens up into our trash door. That's very convenient. And then aside from that, we have this great DL setup across from the driver. We got a little table here, just a very roomy, spacious boat. Of course, with the Liberty helm, we're going to get the nice storage on the side of the helm here. Moving back to the driver and captain station, of course, with the level 5 Premier, we get the steering wheel controls, the 12-inch Simrad, we got the dual binnacle Mercury mounts right here, and then the elusive joystick piloting from Mercury. So just by the push of that here, we're going to be able to dock this boat sideways, forward, backwards, twist it on a dime. Very easy boat to drive. Being it's 33 feet, 10 feet wide, you're definitely going to want that ease of driving. We got more fun back here with the galley. The stairs going up here, we'll show you that in a second, but we got sink, drawer storage, more storage here. We have a refrigerator here, isotherm, that keeps all your drinks nice and cool. And then we have the nice restaurant style booth here with the table to get all the snacks and drinks going. Another unique thing that is obviously a very exclusive in a pontoon is we have a stand-up head. That's very convenient. We have a fully open and closing door with a stand-up head and a porta potty pump out situation with a sink. Very nice setup here for an all-day adventure on the water. Another item I'd like to highlight is on the back transom of our twin engine boats. Premier is always known for having this lovely staircase out the back. So your entrance into the boat is very easy. This is the ricochet staircase, which that whole staircase system lifts up. Very nice. We got that strap we can pull up and we're ready to go. So very convenient. As you look to my right, we have the water slide. There's a water pump, feeds water to the water slide so the kids can be going off the slide with a nice slippery surface there. Of course, the upper deck model, I'm 6'4". I do have good clearance here, and we're gonna go upstairs. Follow me. As we get upstairs, we do have the water slide here, and we have our seating up top. We got a couple couches on both sides here. You do get the lounger, wireless chargers throughout the entire boat. Every time you see one of these pockets, you're going to have a wireless charging system. So there's a lot more to show on this boat. We have a bunch more photos on our listing. Thanks for watching this video of the 2024 330 Escalante from Premier, brought to you by MarineMax of Nisswa.